Everybody lock the fuck in. If you're not locked in, suck my dick. Word two. No, man. I'm locked the fuck in though. Thanks. My hoes called me the Nah, I ain't called me nothing. I don't got hoes. My bad. I was about to yap. Are we in New York? Nah, we're talking about mother. It's the Bronx. I'm bad.
Log, February 23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways.
Oh nah. We dead ass in Gotham.
The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions.
Junkie sweat.
Every corner consumed with vermin and vice.
Yuck.
Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall?
That's deep.
And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city.
That's true though. What's his name? Say his name.
Skin like paper trails. The
Ooh.
streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper.
Skin?
Tuesday.
Why is this nigga whispering though on some real shit? I can hear you, brother.
This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I?
Who are you? Oh wow. Murder.
The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater.
Dick
I'm the
Slater.
only one keeping the filth from spilling over.
My nigga, I'm
and
Dick
drowning
Slater,
the
nigga.
City in its own sin.
Slater, come in.
I'm not gonna lie, if a nigga call me
Causing
Dick,
yourself
I'm ending my shit.
further again?
GT.
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you
Ooh.
want?
Tell him, Dick.
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way.
Go get him, my nigga Dick. Go get him, penis. Why do white niggas named Richard always go by Dick? Like Richard way cooler. Niggas dead ass wake up and choose to go by penis. Oh god, nigga name is Dick. Carrion City Police Department. CCPD. Classic. Like the Flash, Central City. Shit making me dizzy though. What the fuck?
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment.
Coffee can be stale. Shit, a beverage.
Let's see what the chief wants this time.
Let's see. I didn't know a beverage could be stale. I pronounce every letter in it beverage. It's not beverage no more. Y'all niggas be skipping shit. Current objective? Talk to the chief in his office? Alright. Hell, let coffee sit? Hell nah. What up, my Nick? Is this nigga sleeping on the job? Or he's reading a book like a loser?
Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the
Ew.
front desk.
Who dead? Hold on,
You're
Luna.
late again.
Luna.
I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
I did, Luna. You know me.
And yet, here we are.
Oh God, Luna.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Oh shit, they got the 50s accent.
Lucky me.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Bye, baby girl. Next time I'm in here, it's over. You hear me? I'll take you home with me. And we going to the Bronx. We get you a chopped cheese. Why is this shit so run down? This the dude in the fucking drawing. Huh. What up, nigga?
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick. I mean, Detective Slater. Sir!
What up?
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
Let me know, Elmer.
No, sir. But I was just thinking. if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
For real, bruh. Are you lying?
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your
Yeah.
place is here.
Be a good guy, buddy.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
Push them damn buttons, boy.
You don't want to see what I've seen.
Literally.
Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about this stapler.
Yeah, boyo. Let me fucking know, nigga.
Roger that, Mr. Slater.
Good.
I mean, detective.
Good boy. That's a good ass boy. You see how he's obedient? Nigga, dead ass doing my bidding. That's a good ass boy right there. Who else in this joint? What up, nigga?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
A random Australian nigga in New York? I guess.
Someone has to.
Yeah.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
Oh, he definitely knows some shit.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Damn, this shit definitely got him.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
All right, bro.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
We're all doomed. We. Even the chat, bro.
It's not too late for you, dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
The voice actor is hilarious to me. What up?
Hey, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
The fuck are you?
Not even a little.
Dumb hoe right here? The fuck? Nah, I'm playing.
Shame.
Shut
Got
up.
a real thankful man who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Oh, for real? I look like that right now. What are you thinking, shorty?
Then aim lower.
Oh, wow.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of,
Like me.
I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
Word?
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Get your claws into me. Stop focusing on these other niggas.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
Of course, baby girl.
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
This is crazy. Yeah, she needs help, bro. Why she petite? She dead ass miniature gang. Shout out Shorty though. Oh shit. Chief O'Brien. Let's see what he's on. Hey man.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
Of course, brother. I just got off work.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch.
Oh, that's a jab.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
Hey, who's this fucking dork? I was thinking the
That's
same shit.
Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Ah, what a bitch. Rotwood's for the losers.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote.
Oh, he's a
Your
book
work
nerd.
on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in
What?
'79 was legendary.
The fool, nigga, what? Full Mooner Gooner. How they hear about me?
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then.
Edging?
But I put down that freak. For good.
Excuse me, my nigga?
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable.
Ooh,
Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
I see.
Which is why you're gonna need it.
Why this nigga so close to the camera, bro? Back up.
Stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Blowing that smoke in my damn face.
Excuse me?
Yeah, what, O'Brien, nigga?
Knox is your new partner.
Fucking bitch.
What?
Stand on that.
You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone.
Oh God, I'm Batman, nigga. I don't
can't
need
be
Robin.
wasting time babysitting some new transfer.
I don't need Robin, do I? Facts.
O'Brien,
This nigga sweet. Ooh. Oh, donuts. Oh, donuts.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
It sure does. Those are good as fuck. Hey, you eater! Yuck! Ooh. I'm not that much of an eater.
Ah, that's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
You and O'Brien got something in common? Hey, ban Murph for the next century.
Roger that, Chief.
I'm not gonna lie, that my fucking partner's a
Listen,
loser, bro. He
dick.
wears glasses.
The mayor's so far down my throat about the state.
Yeah, don't ban, bro. I'm
that I feel
trolling.
like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
Who is Diesel Cox?
You're killing me, O'Brien.
Literally, bro.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer.
All right, bro.
That's an order.
I don't want a partner though. Not bad. Imagine I started pouting on some grown man shit, on some sexy nigga shit, on some Drake level shit. Facts. All right, let's go catch the killer. Where the fuck is bitch ass nigga at? What was bro name? Kowalski? I don't remember. This nigga is a good boy waiting by the car. Nah, this nigga dead obedient. What up, nigga? Get in the fucking car.
Detective Slater.
Only thing saving you and Drake is the beard? Nah, we're both sexy as fuck.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Facts. I don't do the impressions. Facts.
Okay.
Rule
Robbie.
2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Mm-hmm. Listen up, nigga.
Got it.
Good boy. You're wearing glasses.
Break either rule, I leave you.
To the curb, nigga. Oh, God. Oh, some shit like that.
Understood.
Yeah. And this nigga wearing a tie in the field. Like, bro, are we going to fucking, I don't know, going to court or fucking killing niggas? What's the word? I kind of like this game. It's kind of like, it's a story. On some 6-7. Feel me? Hot fresh wieners inside. Ooh, I fucking love hot dogs. Who is this
Another
nigga?
beautiful night in Carrion City. I get
Sure
to spend
is.
it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices.
Question mark? I mean, I guess that's the way you can put that.
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best.
That's fire. The jank wagon. Okay.
Once I have you fully
buddy.
paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust.
Facts. Let's get out of here, buddy. How do you even correlate to 6-7 and weak as fuck? I love words, bro.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Let's get to work, nigga. At the quick fix. Oh, I'm this nigga now. Oh, that's fire. Drugs. Sign me up. Nigga said name 5 words. I'm good, bro. That's too much. Oh shit, ramen? Hot dogs? This is my type of spot. Let's get to fucking work, buddy. And the phone's ringing? Who calling me? It better be the host.
Get your fix at the quick fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
Get your fix at the quick fix. Okay.
Oh, hey boss.
That's the
Sorry
boss.
for being a few minutes late.
I understood it.
I got stuck in traffic.
This nigga was hugging his dick car. Oh, wow.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Yucky. Gas station meat. Boss, are you good? Oh, he's probably eating a hot dog. Ooh.
Are you calling calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting.
Classic me. Niggas fucking growling at me, bro. Grown ass man growling. Use your words, buddy.
All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap.
Facts, bro. Let's just make it. Let's make our wieners, bro. I just want to grill Frank the long way. Ew! Yuck! What if Frank said? There you hear? The long way, no blunt. Facts. That's a hot dog. Oh, what the fuck?
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
No, it doesn't.
Ah,
Why?
jeez. You scared the crap out of me, man.
As the killer, what the fuck?
Fix? I think you missed the joke,
I just peed.
dude.
Literally.
Oh, I love jokes. Especially the ones with a killer punchline.
I was saying he's the killer. Saying killer in a sentence? Classic.
Cool. Great talk. You need something, or...
Literally.
My. I do have an appetite.
For what, bro? She want dick?
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
Literally, bro.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
I mean, I guess that's true, bro. I had to wait at Sonic for 30 minutes earlier. Hey, get on out of here, bub. Wrong town.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
I'm not gonna lie, bro gotta move to, like, I don't know, like Wisconsin or some shit. Wyoming, maybe? Gotham isn't. I don't think Gotham really suits this nigga, if you feel me. I don't think Gotham would suit me either. Let's make my wieners. Why am I being my meat? Oh, now I'm dead abusing my meat. Yeah, okay. It's so real. Objective updated. Alright, what do I do now? Oh, this is the hot dogs. Box of wieners. Put wieners in the hot dog cart? Oh, right here. Are they even cooked? Oh, waiting for customers? Oh, it's a customer game. I love these. I love customers. Apple Jacks off. What? I don't want that cereal. What up, nigga? Welcome in, buddy. Hey, youngster. Let me get a nice long one and make it snappy. Ha! You want a hot dog or not? You want it raw, mud? I don't have finished hot dog. Alright, I got you, bro. I didn't know if you wanted a raw one or not. Feel me? Some freaks in this town. Where's the rubbish bin? Oh, that's fire! Alright, nigga! Alright! Alright! Ah! Fuck, I get it, nigga. Damn. Gato mighty. Alright, let's toast this hot dog bun, bro. This nigga probably mad as fuck. I still ain't finished this nigga food. Hold on, bro. Uncross your arms, bro. I'm sorry. It's taking a little long. Please, for me. Uncross them, buddy. Alright. Yeah, toast the hot dog bun. Alright. Okay. Am I doing something fucking wrong or like what? Wait, what am I doing wrong? Thick, long hot dog containers? It's something I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'll figure it out. Here, bro. Alright. Oh, duh, nigga. Oh, at the same time. Duh, dumbass niggas. Y'all niggas dumb as fuck for not telling me that. Fuck all y'all niggas. Nah, man. Alright, come to Papa. Give me the meat. Alright, come on, bro. Come on. Hot dog. Oh my god, I fucked up again. I gotta put the toasted dog on this. How am I so ass at making hot dogs? I made a hot dog the other fucking day, IRL. There we go. Lock in.
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver is ready.
Alright, bro. Mm-hmm. What else? Rose, alright. Okay. And then add the works. Oh yeah, this is a full fucking Glazone. Oh yeah, he's gonna fucking kill this shit. Hell yeah. Boss man, I got you a thick fucking hot dog, bro. Go ahead and eat up. Here you go, man. Hey! Move! Oh, what the fuck? Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Hold on, no. Oh, I can't even go over there. Hey! What the fuck? You could have just asked me for a personal hot dog. Fuck this nigga, bro. He's banned, bro. He's dead ass banned. He's dead ass banned, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This nigga made me waste a fucking hot dog and a hot dog bun. If he wanted a glizzy. Even know what I'm saying? Thanks. Thanks. Not bad. See, like, if you really imagine Shorty being there, like, it don't even matter. What up, little lady? You want another hot dog? All right. I like that I work at a hot dog spot. It's kind of fire. Let's add the works. She looks so happy. I'm happy too. Here you go. Nah, why don't look you like that? Me next. Okay, my bad. Why are they enjoying these hot dogs more than they're enjoying me, bro? That was shorty, bro. Like, you feel me? Make a hot dog with just ketchup. Yuck. Just chop on a dog? A only chop dog is crazy. Oh, ain't this the killer nigga? Hey, chat, go ahead and say GG's. Or just think GG's. I don't know if you want to say it or not. It's the fucking Joker. Say goodbye. What you want, man?
Hello again.
Oh my
Are
God.
you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Duh, nigga, you see me?
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here.
Literally, bro. I literally just work here, bro.
Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
You want a wiener, nigga?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but
What?
I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Like a hot dog.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Literally.
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
I mean, it's a store, nigga.
Why
Like,
do
what?
you need staples this late at night?
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
I actually don't like art.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I
Literally.
think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Yeah, go fetch, nigga. Fetch.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again
All right, bro.
real soon.
Do you want a glizzy or not, bro? I was literally about to whip bro up a mean ass Frank. But nah, a hot dog with just ketchup is absurd, man. How real niggas make them IRL. Coleslaw, chili, and ketchup. Oh my god, best dog you can ever get. Oh, and chili or cheese on top of that. I don't even see bro no more. He's out of my frame. Who is this? Emo girl? I found love with an emo girl. How you doing? Hot dog? Alright. Making it up Gary's way. Coleslaw and ketchup is a crime. My nigga, a crime where? You're supposed to put slaw, chili, and cheese. Like, and ketchup. That's a dog. That's how a grown-ass man makes a hot dog. Ew. Alright. Alright, got your wiener, shorty. Chup. Nasty ass relish. The works. Container. Here's your glizzy. The long way. Go, 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 go. Nom, 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 nom. Eat that dick. Now get on out of here, little rascal. Feel me? Come on, now get. Where do I find shorties like this? Feel me? Damn, the instructions were right here this whole time. My dumb ass. Damn, it's a busy day at the shop tonight, I guess. What up, Mud? This a nigga? What up, Mud, nigga? Give me a meaty, juicy one? My nigga. Coming right up, black man. Black man don't want him a quick. Got you, my brother. Coming right up. They even gave bro freeforms. How they do that? A nigga must have made this game. I need an indie game nigga to put me in a game, bro. That'd be so fun. And make me like slightly less sexy, cause I don't want people getting distracted by my scene. Here you go, brother. No! Not you! No! Black man, no, do not dog it! No! Oh, he's not black no more. I'm taking his card. Get out of here, buddy. Gotta make you in the game facts. I'd rather eat a bucket of shit with a biscuit? Yeah, you're fucking lying, bro. I'd be so far if I was in a horror game, bro. Come to me, lady. What the fuck? Where'd she go? Fuck she just do back there? Oh, she got a bev. Oh, she got ramen.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey. What you doing here?
Hey, a shrimp queen.
What? Shrimp queen?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
You know I never judge you, baby girl. So sexy ass.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
What?
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
Me? Ah, she kind of fine.
You're both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
The killer in the background. What the fuck? I even peep.
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon.
Okay, baby girl.
How much I owe ya?
It's free. It's on the house.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me.
Mm-hmm. So me too.
Feeling a little
We're gonna split it.
shrimp-pathetic tonight.
That wasn't funny.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
See ya.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Bye, baby girl. Stop looking at her ass. That's my ass. Stop looking at her ass. That's my ass. Hey. Hey, nigga. That's my ass you're staring at. Oh, he can't hear me, bro. Oh, he lucky as a bitch, ain't he? And he just crouches. All right, bro. Messing with my ass, bro. That's my shorty. That's my ass. Oh!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
The fuck? My fucking wiener machine stopped working.
It seems you're all out of staples.
You could have said that, nigga.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit.
Get out of here.
Leave before I make you.
Literally.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What, bro?
What?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Get out of here, bro. Weird ass dude.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
All right, go, bro.
By the way,
What?
I want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Okay. Nigga that took a mean ass shit. Like, why are we telling me that? Get the fuck on out of here, bro. Nigga that took a mean one. Dropped a deuce. Weird ass nigga.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet.
Where's the plunger, bro? Down. Let's see, bro. Let's look at this monster shit he just did. Bro, what? There's nothing even in here.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter.
Wait, that's all shit?
I'd better grab the plunger.
That's actually disgusting. Why is the plunger just right here? Well, time to get to business. Unclogging toilets. Again. Nigga, it's some oomph. Put some oomph in it. I fucked up. Oh fuck. Woo.
This stupid thing isn't working.
That's a lot of shit, buddy. What if a nigga just smashed his face in? Oh my god, ew. Oh my god, it's about to come up.
What the?
Oh my, it better not come up.
What is that
Please
sound?
don't come up, please. Move. Oh my, ew! Back up! Oh! Oh, this nigga talking some. Like, my nigga, it's obviously coming up. What's that noise? Dumb nigga. It's the fucking shit, you puss ass boy. Oh my god, what an idiot, bro. Oh, now I'm shorty. Blair.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and...
Oh, we're gonna bowl now? That's kind of cool. Bro, if you don't wake up, nigga.
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again.
Literally.
Perfect opportunity.
To what?
Lucas!
Damn, did be prank. This nigga has a mohawk.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
Literally.
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
Facts.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
That's sleeping, bro. I don't know if anybody informed that nigga. Hey, somebody tell that nigga that's sleeping.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
Literally.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
Shit, me neither. Bowling alley with nobody here?
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Probably.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
I find there's a lot of bowling alleys, honestly.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else.
Nuke this cup of nudies. Where the fuck is she from, bro? Minnesota? Like shorty. Oh, a half-eaten hot dog.
I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
I bet. Damn, Lucas off for the day already? Lucas. Damn, this nigga already at the door. Alright, bro.
Alright, Lucas. You can get out of here.
Yeah, scram, nigga.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Like what?
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
I'm about to say, tell me, nigga.
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose?
I guess.
After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
Okay, so that's some white shit. I'm not doing
even
work.
Polish the balls?
Literally.
It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Oh God, come on, Mohawk.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Yeah, get on out of here, buddy. I think you're tired.
Ugh. Wow, Lucas.
Bro, telling Fonchi he about to
Catch you
goon.
later, Blair.
Nigga admitting to Fonchi he about to start gooning. Like, alright, bro. Go ahead then. What's a ball feeder? Is that one of these? What is a ball feeder? Ain't that one of these? No. I'm about to say it gotta be this. Just hitting it, like, I ain't really doing shit. Now, who knew hitting shit like this would just fix it? It did ass work. Fucking cannon.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
That dumb other nigga would have stood right in front of that shit, looking his head into it. Like a fucking
I'd better
peon.
head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Yeah, let's polish these balls. Let's clean up these balls. Oh my god. What do you want? What? Are we closed? What?
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
This nigga was just stalking me the other shit.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is.
Is it, bro? For real?
Adorable little creature running it.
Adorable little creature? What?
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I gonna have to call the police?
Let's call the popo. Get him out of
I'm
here.
here to purchase an experience.
Oh god.
Right. Well, it's $5 a game per lane.
What
So direct. I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
That's one way to put it, yeah.
Thanks. I think.
Let me ask you a question.
What's up, buddy?
Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
Not really, no.
You mean like my work uniform?
Yeah, I'm lost.
Sure. Let's call it that.
So what are we talking about?
I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
Facts.
Either buy a lane or get out.
And stand on that, shorty.
No need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6. Thank you.
Have it. Go bowling, boy. I have a job to do. I gotta polish some balls. Stop staring at me, bro. Look the other way. Look at the balls. Alright, bro. Face the other way, bro.
Total creep.
Nigga's not even bowling. Dead ass just staring at me from a distance. Alright, bro. Oh. Okay. Ew, the ball is fucking like black. That's fucking disgusting. There's a guy on TikTok that just cleans bowling balls? Hey, bro, there's a guy on TikTok that do everything. It's crazy. Shout out TikTok. We're almost done. Here we go.
Time to clean the stinky shoes.
Is that weird? Okay, Weirdo's not there no more. Oh, he's migrated to stalking me from this angle. Okay.
Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes.
Ew? Fucking weird asshole. He's still standing there.
That should do it.
And he's gone. I just seen him. Where's he at, bro? That's it? Nothing? Okay, I thought he was gonna be right there.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling.
Literally.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast.
Ooh, my nudies. I can go nuke my nudies. Facts. Let's nuke my nudies. Woohoo! Fucking dinner time, bruh.
I'll eat this back at the register.
Wait, they've been heating up this whole fucking time? Oh! What the fuck? Oh, hell no. I was just about to nuke my nudies. Well, I'm still alive? Oh, fuck.
What happened?
Oh, GG's. I'm doomed. GG's. Oh, my noodles. Hey, noodles. Ooh. Oh, it's a shrimp.
You're awake. You gotta listen to me.
What's happening?
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
Literally, though. What the fuck? Why are you out here?
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What's going on, Mr. Nudie? Or Shrimp?
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Literally, bruh. Like, who?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What do you mean, Noodles? I'm hungry.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
Literally, bruh.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me?
You're doomed.
Doomed.
I'm not doomed, Mr. Shrimp. So come get in my stomach. Oh, never mind.
Knuckles awake. Who are you talking to?
I wasn't even talking.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Oh.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
Oh, wow. So Mr. Shrimp was fake. Classic.
Why I can't move?
Makes sense.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
That didn't sound promising.
What do you mean?
What's he about to do?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear.
For what?
Have you screaming and crying while I swim it from your body.
The fuck?
It's the end of the line for you.
What you mean?
Please, don't.
Yeah, just don't do it, bruh. Don't do it. Oh, GG's. Say goodbye, bruh. My worst nightmare. The bow and alley incident. The end? that what they said? What's that noise? Oh my god! Wait, is all my skin gone? This nigga skinned me. What the fuck? Why is he broadcasting my skin? What a fucking weird ass nigga. Hell no. Oh, fuck no. Oh, that's some weird shit. And that was so bad, too. Damn, W demo though.